Good morning everybody. So today we're gonna be weighing our van for the first time. So in this video we're gonna show you where you can weigh your van and show you how you can find a weigh bridge around your area as well. So we removed the floor, the bulkhead and the ply, and that's pretty much as light as it's ever gonna be. So now we need to know how much weight do we have to work with, because this van is a 3.5 ton, what is it, loadable whatever van?
Yeah, its maximum weight could be 3.5 tons, and for both of our driver's licenses the maximum weight that we can carry or allowed to drive without doing an extra test is 3.5 tons. So we got the van weighed. It was only £5 actually. It was cheaper than I was expecting. Like what I was reading online, it was like £10 to £20, but £5 for this little sheet of paper. So with me in it, it was 2,320 kilos. So without me, with only the van, it's 2,250 kilos with a full tank of fuel and nothing in it. So that means we have 1,250 kilos to play with. Although once you minus the weight of both of us sitting in it, actually only comes out to 1,100 kilos, which is less than I thought it was going to be. So we only have about 1,000 kilos of net weight to actually play with, because obviously we've got the water tank, that's 100 kilos of water in there as well. It's not a lot of weight.
So to weigh your van, you usually have to go to a recycling center. I typed into Google where to weigh a vehicle, and that took me to the government website where I had to put our postcode. Each county website would have a different way of doing it. Some just have a list. Ours had another field for us to put our postcode in. We inputted our postcode, and all of the recycling centers that had a weigh bridge came up. The one thing that they don't display is actually how much that particular weigh bridge costs, because a lot of weigh bridges are owned by private companies, so it's really up to their discretion how much they charge. It can be anywhere from £5 like we paid, or £20-25. It's up to them. So really, before you go, ring them up, ask them if they're open to start with, and whether public vehicles such as yours would be allowed on their weigh bridge, and how much it costs. One thing to note is that if you are unloading something, so if your vehicle leaves lighter than it came in, that would usually be more expensive than if you were to just drive onto the platform to weigh the vehicle. So when you're asking for the prices, make sure to make that distinction so they know what you're asking for. So there you go, that was nice and easy, and now we know how much weight we have to play with, and I definitely need to go back to the Excel table and see where I can cut some weight. Go to our website for our new merch, join us on Patreon for exclusive discounts and content, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you never miss a video.
Maybe we should just each lose 10 kilos, that might be easier.
If you have the weight to lose, that is.